Hello traders, in this video I'm just going to be showing you how to use the All Averages Indicator for MT4. In order to download this indicator, just check your description, the description to this video, right? Just check down for the link in the description, and then after you've downloaded the indicator, just go to your MT4 indicators folder, add the indicator file there, and then come back to your navigator, refresh it, and after that just look for the All Averages indicator here. All right, so we have the all averages here. Just drag and drop to your chart. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. Check your inputs for the customizable settings, and then you can see that we have the price, the MA period, MA shift, MA method, NLMA deviation, NLMA PCT filter. So once you have customized your settings, or you can just use the default, right? It's fine. But if you have specific settings that you want to change it to, then that's fine as well, depending on how you want the indicator to function. So this indicator, helps you to identify the prevailing trend direction. All right, it helps you to identify the prevailing trend direction, gauge momentum strength, identify precise entry and exit points. Although it doesn't give you exactly precise signals, right? But it can help you to detect the trend direction. Basically, when the price is below the indicator line, shows that it's a bearish momentum, right? Bearish trend. And then when the price is above the indicator line, it shows that it's a bullish trend. All you have to do is just look for buy opportunities when price is above the line, and then look for sell opportunities when price is below the line. It's as easy as that. Okay, it's as easy as that. Now make sure that you pay attention to your risk management, and then do not neglect chart patterns, do not neglect candlestick patterns, okay, as additional confirmation. Okay, it's good to get your additional confirmations when you're trading with an indicator. All right, it's very important. So now, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on more valuable videos like this. All right, don't forget to like this video and share the video with any other trader out there who you feel is going to find this video valuable. There are many other videos on this channel that can give you valuable insights on different trading indicators, strategies, and expert advisors and all of that. Okay, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.